Welcome to the Adsonica Academy. In this video you'll learn how to tell stories in the language of your customers by building multilingual ads. Under the advanced options list, which can be expanded by checking this box, you'll notice Add Additional Language channel. This enables you to create a bilingual audio display ad by adding a second audio track in a different language. The second language track will only play if the user's browser is set to that language. So for example, if I was browsing the web in Spanish and there was a Spanish audio track on the ad, I'd hear the Spanish version instead of the default English one. To use this feature, check the box on the left to enable it, and then select the language in question from the drop-down list. So for this one, I'm going to pick Spanish. Then I can just choose my Spanish language track from my files and click Open. An alert will pop up telling you that the additional audio has been successfully loaded. Your audio track optimization must be done prior to assembling your ad. Thanks for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial. Now you're ready to distribute audio display ads with multiple language tracks, harnessing the power of sound to increase engagement and brand awareness across the internet. Get started in the studio today, or head to the Academy for more tutorials, including the remaining advanced features videos.